Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some Bluetooth missing from device manager in Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that go to your search box and type a services. Right click and run as administrator. After opening that, find out a Bluetooth support services. Now here is a Bluetooth support services. Open it, and after doing this that, select automatically and click on if you're running, then stop and start it. After doing this that, once again stop it and restart it. After that, apply and press OK button. So close it. The second method is that go to your start menu and go to your Windows settings. After doing this that, go to your update and security and find out a troubleshoot. After doing this that, click on a additional troubleshooter and click on a Bluetooth and run the troubleshooter. It's required of a few minutes to complete the process. Okay, after doing this that, close it. Okay guys, after doing this that, restart your computer, and after restarting that, I'm sure that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. Third method is that go to your C drive of your PC, go to your Windows, go to your System32, and after doing this setup, find out now his scroll down. No, FSQUIRT. Now after doing this step, right click, go to your send it and click and click on a desktop shortcuts. Click on it, go to your desktop. Now here is a after doing this. Now close it. Now after doing this, the last method is okay guys, the next method is that for go to your search box and type a command prompt cmd run as administrator. After doing this, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. Okay guys, after doing this steps, after a few seconds the scanning will be started. It's required of a few minutes to complete the process or just to complete this process. Okay guys, after completing that, uh, type exit and exit mouse prompt. After doing this chat, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this chat your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fifth method. The first method is that in the search box type a system information, open a system information, and you can check your baseboard product and baseboard manufacturer name. So after doing this that, type it and type a model name and copy it, go to your search box and paste it and type a Bluetooth driver. Now after doing this start, find out a Bluetooth driver from internet and download and install in your PC. And I'm sure now here is all drivers available from this motherboard. So download the Bluetooth driver and install in your PC, and after doing this start, restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this start your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.